Today we are looking at chicken namba, or sweet fried chicken with tartar sauce. Now that I have sniffed out the best mayonnaise, I think it's time. Let's dive in. Start by cutting the excess skin off the chicken. Looks like I care about the fat content when I really. It just makes everything crispier. Now chop into largish chunks, into halves and then quarters. Biggish pieces are fine, but keep in mind that you'll be deep frying these. Okay. Big enough for punch, but small enough to cook through. Place your chicken in a bowl of screen. Add in Mentsuyu, Sake, Mirin, a tablespoon of chewy garlic, a teaspoon of Weiba Chinese stock, and mix and let marinate. Prepare what will become the sticky sauce. Tablespoon of vinegar and 3 of sake, 50 grams of sugar, and mix to combine. Forget the soy sauce and disgrace your family. Then mix and place aside. Heat up your oil for frying to 180 degrees. Don't let the oil spit at you because jams. Prepare some bowls with flour and egg in them. Give the Eggo a quick whisk. And dip in the flour then. Turn one chicken strip into many and dip in the egg. See? Asians are magic. Now everybody into the pan. Let everybody bubble away. Adjust the flame to balance out the temperature. Flip to flip. Not sure why it's bubbling this much. Maybe Eggo butter. Get this nice and crispy golden brown. And on to kitchen paper to get rid of excess oil. And cook the rest off. Pour in your sauce and bring to the boil. Add in your freshly cooked chicken. Get everybody in there. And get the sauce to cover everything. Cook for about 3 minutes until it's nice and syrupy, then you're done. Time to make your tartar sauce. Dice up a couple of boiled eggs. Mayonnaise, vinegar, and milk. Get everything in a mix. Add in sugar into the watery tartar sauce. Prepare mountain cabbage for vitamins. Forget the parsley in tartar sauce and mix. Cabbage mountain onto your plate. Chop up your chicken into strips. Show off your cooked chicken to your audience. And pair it up with tartar sauce. Thumbnail for the internet. Taste test time. Itadakimasu. Oishii. I could go without the tartar sauce, but the sweet and sour sauce is amazing. It transforms this out of Lego fried chicken range and into tasty fried sticky chicken range. Hope you have a go. Till next time.